Hi everybody, it's Homemade Turkish Foods channel. Have you tried to make your soup with rice? It's so easy. Let's check this out. I'm gonna show you how to make yogurt soup with rice. It takes less than 20 minutes to make. Let's get started. I'd like to list what we need today. About 250 milliliters of yogurt, 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of flour, half a glass of rice, about 100 milliliters, 50 grams of butter of any kind of liquid oil, half a tablespoon of dried mint, 1 teaspoon of salt, and water or chicken stock or beef stock. First of all, we need to boil about 1 liter of water and add rice into the pot. Let them cook until rice softens well. Then blend yogurt, egg yolk, and flour if you want a creamy soup. What we are doing now, we take some boiling water over the mixture to have a silky texture. Stir up to have a homogeneous mixture. Pour the mixture into the pot, and meanwhile I gotta stir the soup to reach a silky texture. You may adjust the thickness of the soup by adding water. Let it simmer for 5 minutes to balance the taste. At this stage, you can add garlic and lemon. Garlic and lemon juice optional. While soup is simmering, you may prepare the sauce to get a rich flavor. Take about 50 grams of butter or liquid oil or butter liquid oil mixture and melt completely. After melting, add some dried meat and about 20 seconds later, turn off the stove. Do you know what time it is? Serving time. This creamy, comforting yogurt soup with rice. Alright, it's still hot. At this time, you can add some lemon juice if you prefer. To reach the taste to the highest point, we add butter sauce on top, and you can sprinkle some seasoning if you want, such as fresh basil, garlic powder, black pepper, etc. You can serve it with croutons as well. I hope you guys love this recipe. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you subscribe. See you in our next video. It's key points time. Have a good meal.